thing that we did it was too obvious that I wanted to make questions to the system about my data. So questions like, hey, what were the top 3 articles yesterday from Google Discover? So this is something that you just using natural language. And again, you don't need to follow any common structure. You just can type whatever it comes to your head. Yesterday from Discover. I'm not even going to mention that this is Google Discover. So I'm going to let the system figure out that when I say Discover, I mean Google Discover. Again, this is processing, and we will get into deeper detail on how this happens. We will disclose a little bit the magic. So yeah, it automatically found out that probably this needs to be resolved by our API. The API returns back the answer, and then we just formulate like a textual answer. Again, those are the 3 articles that brought more traffic yesterday from Google Discover. But most importantly, is just, if you scroll down, you are going to find a link to our reporting system, which is fantastic. So here you can find out how did we understand the question that you made. We see that yesterday has been translated into a given date. We have identified a dimension. We are matching or mapping it to the value. And here is the answer from a reporting perspective. So now getting back to the beginning, you can use these queries. Even, I don't know if they are useful to you, go for it. We are going to fully implement everything that is accessible from the UI. We are going to make it available from a textual perspective, but also you can take this as a learning model. So you just ask questions to the system, and the system is going to tell you exactly how to find this information. So you can take it from there and fine tune it. So this is what we call Marfeel Query Assistant. And yeah, it's not that it needs to be like easy questions. So for example, I just have this on the clipboard, and it's which articles had the most traffic from Canada yesterday. So you can add as many dimensions as you want. Even you can ask not only about traffic, but content production. How many articles did I write yesterday for a given section? Or this one is more complicated. And for example, we have which topics brought more traffic when bring more traffic when William White writes. And William Wright happens to be like an author, and let's see what the system does. So this, again, is just trying to understand and extract the different concepts of my question. We are analyzing it. We find out that we need to resolve it from an API perspective. We get the data, and boom, you can just get the topics that brought the most traffic. And as I was saying at the beginning, we even get the link to the reporting system, so you can just continue from there. Again, give it a try, play with it, and anything that you are missing from our query assistant, let us know.